100 children to do this year. The Queen quite coming, 100 from the top of Trini. We up here on Siantan right now and things like that there. We're here for the inaugural Hill Rice Symposium. Now, if you wonder what kind of name this year, it's not named after a man named Hill or nothing like that there. If you've been here to Trini, you see it's hill everywhere. So 100 children a day with we today and things like that, you know, everything flat. So we just get things from Nampon from right there from the earth band down like this year. But you see this time we up the hill. So when they say hill rice, this the kind of rice they grow here instead of the Carolina Gold and things like that. But as on the journey with we, you going to see a little bit of my welcoming, the receptions and the ceremonies and the reconnection, especially between American and the Gullah Geechee. And so, 100 children, if you've never been to Trini, this time for come to Trini with the Gullah Geechee, because we're so glad you're going to tune in to Gullah Geechee TV. And 100 know, if 100 there with me, 100 going to know this year, what going on.
Together, chillin'.
Don't you get weary, great camp meeting in the promised land.
Oh, let us pray together, chillin'.
Don't you get weary.
Oh, let us pray together, chillin'.
Don't you get weary.
Oh, let us pray together, chillin'.
Don't you get weary, great camp meeting in the promised land. My mom was going to say, you ain't BJ going to sleep, Mom? Oh, Lord. Give me the still one. Hey, guys, you can shadow berry. Oh, I like that one. I got a Yukon. Oh, Lord. What they eating?
What is that?
Is it Benny? They got it?
Wow. Wow.
That's okay, that's small drink. Small drink, small drink. Go buy it, go buy it, you go do all this.
Walking through, heading toward the rice fields, hill rice fields.
Yeah, lots of vines.
Plenty of vines to watch your step. As you saw the ants back there just now.
Queen?
Yes, ma'am.
So you see? Yeah. This is what brand is this? As you said, it's black hen and what and what and what?
Mixed here.
Mixed.
Black hen and what's the other cup?
Where's done?
Oh, really?
And she has
But
to
we
do
got
some
this
taping.
one. We got this one.
Okay. This one is what you said, Daki?
This one is black hen mix.
Black hen mix.
Black hen mix.
That's the name of the rice.
Oh, see, that's why I was supposed to come.
There are different names.
Thank you.
No, I'm your sister, no?
Oh, I'm sorry, your cousin. Sorry, cousin.
This is what a rice field is supposed to look like.
I'm gonna do the profile one. You got that one?
Oh, Francis,
Yeah.
stay still.
We hadn't been to
This is my next cover photograph I'm taking here.
Only 1 million US, not TT.
If I can do that, that'd be so wonderful. Because I mean, I'd be a wealthy man.
Yes. Me too.
You know?
I'm saying that's
Exactly.
for my share.
You understand?
Yes. That's my share.
It's two type of rice. This one is what we call the hill rice.
Okay.
And I have the other one that you plant in lagoon.
Okay.
Where the blocky bank.
Yeah.
Swamp rice, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this one is the hill rice.
Hill rice.
It's two type of rice, you know. But I rather this.
You rather this one?
Yeah, I had enough of the one in the lagoon when we were small. My
Yeah.
mom used, you know, when my mom said, you gotta go in the garden.
Uh-huh.
You no man to tell her no, you're not going.
I know that's right.
You gotta go.
That's
You gotta go.
Otherwise, when you reach back home, and when
You're
she reach
gone.
home, and she put her pot on the fire, and she cook that nice kind of food,
Yes.
and she say you will only, you would not
If
You
you
will only
don't, that's
smell.
the smell.
Okay.
You won't eat. Right.
So this is the rice here.
Now what the Americans did, they say we go and be free. Otherwise we can go and home to God. Wow. So it takes this your journey but be free right here in Trinity. So we're so glad y'all still there. But welcome we home. Yes, Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.